Welcome guys again in new sketchware tutorials from Sketchware Gold. I'm so happy to see you again in this new tutorial. I will show you how you can create or how you can use some widgets that not exist on Sketchware official or on old Sketchware. Okay, so this Sketchware is Sketchware Gold Classic. Is one of my old modes. I will share this Sketchware soon for people who doesn't have new phones, that people who use the old phones. So this is just a normal version. So let me start guys after this small intro. Okay, again guys, so first I will drag a linear. So this linear I will use it to create the container of my custom widget. So to do that, just drag any linear and set the height to the match parent, then set the padding to 0. Okay, so let me set the height to match parent. Then I will change the ID to my custom ID. I will make it time. Okay, this is time. Also I will change the padding to 0 like that. Okay, then I will change the color to the white color. You can change to any color you like, just I like the white color. Okay, now let we go to more blocks. We will create a new more block. You can call your more block whatever you want. You don't need to use more block if you don't want to use it. So in your more block, just give your more block a name. So for me, I will give him a time picker name. Okay, you can choose any name you want to use. It's not something important. For the parameter, I will use one parameter. The parameter will be from view. Okay, so I will use view parameter as a parameter. You can call it wherever. I will call it view. Then I will create my more block. Okay, so inside my more block, I will go to blocks, then operator. I will scroll down, then select the added source directly code block. Then I will put this code. So I will explain to you this code. Okay, so our code is include some Java codes. This is a class name date picker. Inside this date picker, I am call it and give him name as DB. Okay, so I am using here a main activity because I am in main activity. So I give him the parameter as a main activity this. Okay, this for call the activity inside our code of Java. Then I will set my Java code or my custom widget inside my linear. Okay, so this will not work because I am use view as a parameter and I need to change it to linear. Okay, so we will change it to linear just because I am record sound again to make the sound more clearly. So here I will go to on create, then I will select my more block and I will select the view. Okay, this more block will not work because I need to use only a linear layout. Okay, so let me try our project. Don't care about a big compiler. This is not important for you right now. So just we compile our application. This is our error. So this error tell me that I can't use view as a container to my widget. So I will go to and change this to my widget to linear. Okay, our linear name is time. So I will give him the name as time. Okay, and now if we run our project again, it will work perfectly without any error. Guys, for more tutorial, please subscribe in our channel. Okay, so let we wait to install our application. After install our application, we will see how it's working. As you can see here, our custom widget is work perfectly on Sketchware official or on any old Sketchware. So you can use a lot of custom widgets without use any mode. Okay, for you guys, I will create this Sketchware Gold Classic version for Android devices, KitKat and all devices that cannot run any new Sketchware Gold or Sketchware mode. Okay, so let me change this, and we will use another view or another widget. So for me, I will choose writing bar, so I will get the writing bar code to put here, and we can finish our tutorial. Okay, so give me 1 second, I will give you okay, we have here our writing bar. So again, we call the class name is writing bar, so I will call this class here, then I will use this class. This class is create for me widget name writing bar. So what I will do is I will change this to main activity to this. Okay, you can keep it like this, but it's good to change it to main activity to this, or your activity name dot this. Okay, not if we run our project right now, it will work perfectly, because this trick can help you so much to create your applications or your widget without use any mode if you don't want, or if your device is old, you cannot run any mode. Good, but in the next Sketchware Classic, I will give you this option of create custom blocks, create component, add Java files, and everything you want to add it. So I will give him the option. Okay, as we can see here, our writing bar was created successfully. So guys, this is in black color because the project colors is in black. Okay, you can change it to your own colors wherever you want, and you can see it's worked perfectly. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe in our channel. This is new mode called Sketchware Gold Classic for Android, KitKat and Jelly Bean. Okay, so I will share this version soon for you. It will not include a lot of features, because I want to try if people need this version. I will update this version soon. If not, if no one uses it or just a few people use it, so I will not release it. So if you are using this version or you want to use it, please give us a comment in just give us a comment that you are needed. So see you next time, and goodbye guys.